Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove payment method on Google Pay. So if you want to remove your credit card, debit card or your any payment method from your Google Play Store, I will show you how to do this. So for this, first of all, just open the Play Store application and then you have to sign into your account and then just tap on profile icon in the upper right corner. And now you can see this payment and subscription option. So just tap on it and now tap on this first option, payment method. There is my card, a Visa card is added in Play Store, and now if you want to remove them, click on this more payment setting, the last option, tap on it and you have to wait a little bit to load. So you have to change your data account from here, so you have to just make sure that you are on the right account. And now just tap on these three bars in the upper left corner and you can see this option, payment method. Just tap on this payment method and now as you can see my Visa card is here. So if you want to remove, you can see this option, remove, tap on it and then you have to enter your card number here and then you have to enter the CVC number here. It's on your backside, it's on backside of your card, and then you will get the remove option. Just tap on remove and your card will be removed. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can remove payment method on Google Pay. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.